During an analysis, an economist acts as a trustee, and chooses the best for the estates they administer without invoking Homo-Economicus. We also know that questioning the reasons of choices, or preferences, that is to say whether they are altruistic or egocentric etc., falls outside the boundaries of economics. Economics takes them as given data. However, given a set of ends, it is reasonable that due to the scarcity of means, anyone would choose the most efficient solution. And so, an economist can safely consider himself to be a trustee of an economic agent facing a set of ends and means. Not only this excludes all hedonism from economics, this position of being a trustee, which is logical deduction based on definition of economics, implies that there is no need to assume a Homo economicus either. A logical argument I was able to extract from Robbins' writing is as follows. First, there are multiple ends and these are immutable. Ends are given implies they cannot be given up, or added arbitrarily. Treated as the given, ends become immutable. Second, the means are only partially permissive of gratification of all ends. Next, the means are also substitutable, that is to say exchanged or postponed. Fourth, since the ends are immutable, it is necessary that all ends, or as many as possible, must be achieved by exhausting the given means. Fifth, if a smaller set of means can gratify an end, the larger number of ends can be gratified. Therefore, cheaper is preferred to costlier when the cheaper does not thwart our given ends. Sixth, if it is possible that more of the preferred ends can be gratified using the given set of means, it is necessary that this possibility is availed. Seventh, therefore, we can infer that maximum of the preferred ends is always chosen given a set of means. Since seventh follows logically from our fundamental problem, it can be treated as a law. Formally, it is the point of tangency between the highest indifference curve and budget constraint. The premises of this law are immutable ends and scarce means only, and thus exclude any hedonistic calculus or Homo economicus. This law is only the logical necessity resulting from the fact that ends are immutable, and means are scarce substitutes. So long as an economist treats the subjects of his analysis in such a manner, he treats himself as a trustee for each of them, turn-wise, and in so doing it is acting as a trustee and not invoking any Homo economicus that a scientific analysis of economics requires. This follows from all preceding propositions. Eighth, economic laws, as Robbins would say, are the elucidation of manifold implications of the definition of economics along with added assumptions of taste, technology etc. In a similar series of deductions as from first to seventh, one may infer why indifference curves are convex, that is to say the lower the quantities of one good compared to its substitute, the higher the relative valuation it receives, or formally, marginal rate of substitution is excessive at larger comparative quantities of one of two substitutes. And from this convex shape, and the aforementioned tangency condition, one may further derive results such as of a price change, or of income change, or of an imposition of tax, or of a subsidy or of quota etc. etc.